Hi Alex, what are you doing today? This looks interesting.
So I've got some parts here from a recent CRP we've been working on in AM. So looking at the effects of multi-laser and large powder bed fusion. And this part that we've got here, parts that were built on our M404. So this is looking at doing a bit of an assessment of build stability of multi-laser effects on parts. So we've had the 10 back-to-back builds of the same build file on our M400. So all these artefacts have got multi-laser and single laser assignment to them, so we can compare direct effects from multi-laser to single laser. As part of the build run, we have measurements across the scan fields and where the laser position is using EOS standard tools. So that enables us to really understand where the lasers are actually scanning, if there's any drift from build to build as the lasers are firing and get heat cycles, and then we can compare that to the actual physical parts that are built, so then we can see the effects of stitch lines, effects on porosity, fatigue properties, tensile properties, and also dimensional effects too.
So what's so exciting about this? Why are you so passionate about it?
It's a good opportunity for us to actually really show the effects of how stable a multi-laser machine is. There's not much information out there publicly about that's independent, so we're really proud to get some public information out there that we can then show off.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Alex. Have a good day.